Welcome to ChatGPT. Are you struggling to come up with blog topics that will rank on search engines? Maybe you've heard about ChatGPT Prompts. These are a great resource to help generate fresh ideas for your content marketing strategy. Start by searching for prompts in your niche. You'll find a variety of questions and topics related to your industry. Choose a prompt that you feel passionate about and can write a lot about. Make sure to use keywords in your title and throughout your post. This will help search engines understand what your content is about. Be sure to provide value in your post and include relevant statistics and data. Link to external sources to support your claims and show credibility. Don't forget about internal linking to your other related blog posts. Use a meta title and description that will entice readers to click through from search results. Also, keep your URLs short and include your main keyword. Make sure to optimize images with alt tags and descriptive file names. Consider utilizing ChatGPT prompts for social media content as well. You can create eye-catching graphics and captions based on the prompts. This will help drive traffic to your website and improve engagement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what resonates with your audience. Remember to stay consistent with your content marketing strategy. Post regularly and promote each blog post on your social media channels. The more traffic and engagement your posts receive, the higher they will rank on search engines. Always try to provide value for your readers and optimize your content for SEO. ChatGPT prompts are a great tool to help generate ideas and improve your overall content strategy.
Hey, this is Chapel North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.